Hey everyone! If you're an electrician, or you're considering becoming one, then you know that having the right tools is essential to getting the job done right. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 7 electrician tools that you simply can't live without. From cable cutters to wire strippers, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started.
The WGG-WG015 Professional 8-inch Wire Stripper is a versatile tool designed for wire stripping, wire cutting, wire crimping, cable stripping, and other wiring tasks. This multi-function hand tool is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and efficient tool for various wiring projects. With its ergonomic design and durable construction, the WGG-WG015 Wire Stripper is easy to use and can withstand frequent use. Whether you're working on electrical systems, automotive wiring, or other types of wiring projects, the WGG-WG015 Wire Stripper is a must-have tool in your toolkit. The Boere 11-foot fiberglass running electrical wire cable pulling fish tape kit is designed for electricians, handymen, and DIY enthusiasts who need to pull wires and cables through tight spaces, walls, ceilings, and floors. The kit includes a fish tape tool and 5 different attachments that allow you to customize your wire pulling experience according to your needs. The fish tape tool is made of high-quality fiberglass, which makes it durable, lightweight, and easy to handle. The fiberglass material also makes it non-conductive, ensuring that you stay safe while working with live wires. The fish tape tool features a comfortable grip that provides a secure hold and prevents slippage. The 5 different attachments that come with the kit include a hook, a bullet, a ball, a chain, and a magnet. These attachments can be easily attached to the fish tape tool to help you pull wires through different types of obstacles. The hook attachment is perfect for pulling wires through small holes or around corners. The bullet attachment is ideal for pulling wires through long distances. The ball attachment is great for pulling wires through conduit or PVC pipe. The chain attachment is perfect for pulling wires through multiple bends. The magnet attachment is excellent for retrieving lost or dropped tools. The carrying case included with the kit makes it easy to store and transport the fish tape tool and attachments. The case is made of durable plastic and features a handle for easy carrying. Overall, the Boere 11-foot fiberglass running electrical wire cable pulling fish tape kit is an excellent tool for anyone who needs to pull wires and cables through tight spaces. Its lightweight and durable design, along with the various attachments, make it a versatile and convenient tool to have in your toolbox. The KIWEDS self-adjusting wire stripper is a heavy-duty automatic wire stripping tool that can handle wires between 10 to 24 AWG. It's a 3-in-1 tool that functions as a wire stripper, wire cutter, and crimping tool all in one. One of the standout features of this wire stripper is that it's self-adjusting. This means that you don't have to manually adjust the tool to fit different wire sizes. Instead, the tool automatically adjusts to the wire size and strips the insulation without damaging the wire. This makes it a time-saving and efficient tool for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone else who works with wires regularly. The wire cutter is another useful feature of this tool. It can easily cut through different wire types, including copper and aluminum wires. The cutter has a sharp edge that provides a clean and precise cut without leaving any burrs. In addition to stripping and cutting wires, this tool also functions as a crimping tool. It has a built-in crimper that can crimp different types of connectors, including insulated and non-insulated terminals. The ergonomic design of the KIWEDS self-adjusting wire stripper makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It has a non-slip handle that provides a secure grip and prevents hand fatigue. The tool is also made of high-quality materials, which makes it durable and long-lasting. Overall, the KIWEDS self-adjusting wire stripper is an excellent tool for anyone who works with wires regularly. Its self-adjusting feature, wire cutter, and crimping tool capabilities make it a versatile and convenient tool to have in your toolbox.
The Klein Tools VDV110-261 is a radial stripper designed for twisted pair cables. It is a tool used to strip the outer insulation or jacket from a cable, allowing access to the individual wire pairs inside. The radial design of this stripper ensures a clean, precise cut without damaging the conductors. This tool is commonly used in the telecommunications and networking industries for terminating and installing Ethernet cables.
The Neotech non-contact AC voltage tester pen is a tool that helps you detect if there is an alternating current voltage present in a wire or cable without having to touch it. It can detect voltages in the range of 12 to 1000 volt. The device comes equipped with a built-in LED flashlight that can be used to illuminate dark areas, making it easier to see the wires or cables. It also has a buzzer alarm that sounds when it detects a live wire, which can alert you to potential electrical hazards. Additionally, the tester pen can help you determine whether a wire is live or null. This feature is useful when working on electrical installations or repairs, as it helps you identify which wires are safe to work with and which ones pose a potential danger. Overall, the Neotech non-contact AC voltage tester pen is a useful tool for anyone working with electrical equipment, providing a simple and safe way to detect the presence of AC voltage. The MagMaster magnetic tool holder is a durable clip-on belt magnet holster designed to securely hold screws, nails, hammers, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, trowels, drill bits, wrenches, and any other magnetic tools and hardware. Its strong magnetic base ensures that your tools are always within reach and easily accessible, while the sturdy clip-on design allows for quick and easy attachment to your belt or waistband. The MagMaster is an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast, handyman, or professional tradesperson looking for a convenient and practical way to organize their tools and keep them close at hand.
The Klein Tools 31737 Folding Jab Saw Drywall saw is a versatile hand saw that can be used for cutting through a variety of materials, including drywall, wood, plastic, and metal. The saw features a durable and sharp blade that can easily make precision cuts, and it is designed with a lockback mechanism that allows the blade to be securely locked in place at 180 and 125 degrees. This feature makes it easy to adjust the saw blade to the angle needed for the job at hand, ensuring that you can make clean, accurate cuts every time. The lockback mechanism also keeps the blade safely and securely locked in place when the saw is not in use, minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries. Additionally, the Klein Tools 31737 Folding Jab Saw Drywall saw is designed with a tether hole, making it easy to attach a lanyard or other tethering device for added convenience and security. This feature helps prevent the saw from getting lost or dropped when you're working in tight spaces or at heights. Overall, the Klein Tools 31737 Folding Jab Saw Drywall saw is a reliable and versatile hand saw that is ideal for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Its durable construction and innovative design make it a valuable addition to any tool collection.